In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send a DM in Slack, step by step, even if you're brand new to the platform. Direct messages are one of the most important features in Slack because they let you communicate privately with teammates, ask quick questions, or have one-on-one conversations without posting in public channels. If you're using Slack for work, school, or team collaboration, this is a basic skill you'll use every single day. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you out and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Slack workspace. Once Slack is open, you'll land on your main workspace screen, where you can see channels, messages, and your navigation menu. On the left side of the screen, this is where most of your actions will happen. You'll see sections like channels, direct messages, and apps. This left sidebar is the key area you'll be using to send a DM. Next, look at the left sidebar and find the direct messages section. Depending on your Slack layout, this may appear as DMs or direct messages. Click on this option to expand it if it's collapsed. This section shows all of your existing direct messages conversations. If you've messaged someone before, their name will already be listed here. Now, to send a new direct message, click on the person you want to message. If you already see their name in the list, simply select it. If you don't see them right away, you can use the search bar at the top of Slack to type their name and select them from the results. Once you click on the person's name, Slack will open a private conversation window between you and that user. After the DM window opens, move your cursor down to the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you type your message. Click inside the message box to activate it. You'll know it's active when you see the blinking text cursor ready for typing. Now, type the message you want to send. This can be a short question, a detailed explanation, or even just a quick hello. Slack also allows you to add emojis, links, and files if you need to share more information. Take a moment to review what you've typed to make sure everything looks good. Once your message is ready, click the send button, which usually looks like a paper airplane icon, or simply press the enter key on your keyboard. As soon as you do this, your message will be sent instantly to the other person, and it will appear in the conversation thread. That's it. You've successfully sent a direct message in Slack. From here, you can continue the conversation, send additional messages, or come back to this DM anytime from the direct messages section in the sidebar. Slack automatically saves your conversations so you can easily find them later. If this video helped you understand how to send a DM in Slack, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple and beginner-friendly Slack tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.